In 1838, Abraham Lincoln gave a speech about citizenship and the preservation of America's political institutions. He warned that the greatest danger to our nation came from within. Today, his warning rings true. Politics and partisanship are paralyzing our country, fracturing the nation into a dangerous disunity. Trust is essential in a democracy. Cynicism fosters a distrust of reality and provokes a suspicion that hidden evil forces are at play. It can destroy the very foundation of respect for each other that democracy requires. Overcoming these divisions begins with teaching the principles that citizens in our democracy must embrace to achieve common ground. First, we recognize America is not a finished work or a failed project, but an ongoing experiment. Our Constitution was designed to withstand great stress, and it has given us a form of government capable of profound correction to address injustices. If parts of our system are broken, then it is our responsibility to use our freedom to fix them. The founders agreed on a constitution that requires compromise for our government to work. They believe that democracy works best when multiple perspectives are considered in rigorous discussion. Such a dialogue means listening to others, combined with a willingness to be persuaded. Second, effective leadership will not come from one person. We must hold all of our elected officials to higher standards of character, investing leadership in those bringing competence and compassion to bear. And finally, while it is tempting to be pessimistic, forward progress starts with participation versus sitting on the sidelines using scorching rhetoric to score political points. Every generation has a responsibility to improve our country and pass along our freedoms to the next generation. Remember that we're building a country here. It is hard work, yet it is also noble work that all of us must do together.